Namaskar. Today's my topic plane of symmetry. Look in this figure. We look at planes and other plane is this. These planes bisect these planes and we get the equivalent parts of each others. This is the plane of symmetry. This is the simple. This is the plane of symmetry. What is the plane of symmetry? In chemistry we are understood. In Go. What is the plane of symmetry? If the imaginary plane of molecules about which the reflection of molecules is carried out, and after reflection if the configuration is equivalent from the original ones, and then the imaginary planes or mirror planes is called a plane of symmetry and it is represented by sigma. That means each imaginary plane is symmetry element and reflection is symmetry operations. These symmetry planes apply in molecules and separate symmetry operation is carried out, and then we get the equivalent or original configurations is known as plane of symmetry. For examples, the H2O molecules here, look here, the H2O molecules oxygen is 2 hydrogen, one is red and other is blue. Here is the planes symmetry elements and applied operations is reflections. And we get the equivalent configurations in the blue hydrogen this side and red hydrogen opposite sides, and get equivalent to each other but not originals, and this is known as plane of symmetry. For examples, a cube here is a look is the 9 cubes and 9 cube is 9 planes represented in this, and these planes bisect the cubes and get this equivalent part of each others, and this each other part is equivalent to each other but not identical to each others. Okay, here is 9 planes. And other examples is cuboids is square base prism. This is the 5 plane of symmetry which planes are represented in colors. And you look here is this planes and the other planes is here and other planes is here and other planes is here and this planes here. These planes are bisect this cuboid and get equivalent part of each others. Okay, and other examples you look here is H2O molecules. H2O molecules oxygen is red and blue hydrogen is represented star and other is non-stars. Here is hydrogen oxygen atom bisecting by the planes and get this hydrogen is represent here and this hydrogen represent here. We get equivalent configuration. And other planes is hydrogen, oxygen and hydrogen bisecting through the principal axis, and we get the another plane of symmetry. Here it is the two sigma planes, sigma V and sigma V dash. And these H2O molecules, look here, the molecular plane passing through the oxygen atom and bisecting the angle between the two. Okay, and now the operation of reflection produced equivalent configuration, but operation carried out twice. The original configuration is obtained, and therefore we can write here the sigma n power equal to sigma if n is odd, and sigma into equivalent or sigma n की power equivalent if n is even, n is equal to identity. That means n is operation symmetry, n is operation carried out in odd times. We get operation is carried out in odd times, we get equivalent configuration, and when operation is carried in even time, we get identical or original configuration. For example is given here, ethylene molecules here is the 4 hydrogen atom 1, 2, 3, 4. Here is sigma plane is applied in this original configuration. One time we get this interchange the hydrogen's atom, and this is obtained equivalent configuration but not originals. And this equivalent configuration also apply the sigma planes and we get the original configuration. This is the original configuration and the original configuration Gaussian, and this process is known as plane of symmetry. Okay. And type of plane of symmetry. Number 1, vertical plane of symmetry sigma b. It is a plane of symmetry passing through the principal axis symmetry and one of the subsidiary axis if the present, or other way it is the plane containing principal axis of symmetry. If the, for example, BF3 molecules, C3 is the principal axis and boron is the center, and 1, 2, 3 fluoride atom is attached to the boron and atoms to the particular directions. If the plane passing through the principal axis, so we look here 3 planes. One plane is passing through this BF molecules, another is passing through this BF molecules, and other plane is passing through this BF molecules. Here is the 3 sigma B planes is passing through the principal axis, and now the 3 sigma B planes are found in BF3 molecules. Okay, and second is horizontal plane of sigma symmetry is this sigma H. If this plane is a symmetry which perpendicular to the principal axis of symmetry. We know the PF3 is also a planar molecules, is the center as planar molecules. Here is the C3 the principal axis. Benzenes also planar molecules. Here is the C6 benzene planar molecule. Ethane is C3 is the principal axis. Here you have look this plane is perpendicular to principal axis. This plane is also perpendicular to this principal axis, and this plane is also perpendicular to this principal axis. So these planes are sigma H, horizontal plane of symmetry. Okay. Now third is dihedral plane of symmetry. It is represented by sigma d. It is the plane of symmetry passing through the principal axis symmetry and bisecting the angle between the two subsidiary axes, that means C2 axis. Okay, it is similar to this sigma b, but one condition is applied: bisecting angle between the two subsidiary axes. It must be more than 2 subsidiary axes, more than 2 C2 axes in the molecule. Then those molecules is found sigma d planes. For example, given benzene molecules, and then benzene molecules you know that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 C2. And 3 C2 is passing through carbon to carbon atom, and 3 C2 is passing through carbon-carbon bond, carbon-carbon bonds. And carbon-carbon bonds in bisecting, and 3C2 and 3C2 carbon-carbon. The 3C2 bisecting the bonds is known as sigma d, and 3C2 is passing through the carbon-carbon known as sigma v. And say sigma v, and this is the principal axis. Is perpendicular to plane sigma h is to principal axis. That means 1 sigma h and 3 sigma b and 3 sigma d. This is the square planar molecules, and this way on the 1 sigma h, 2 sigma b and 2 sigma d. Here is 2 sigma d. So 2 sigma d bisecting the this way and this way. Okay, and some important fact is here given for the dihedral plane. Those planes which bisecting the angle between the two substantive C2 axes are called dihedral plane. Its planes are represent only those molecules which have more than one plane C2 axis. And third is when both C2V and sigma d occur in same system, and the sigma will be containing greater number of atoms, and sigma d plane which contain bond angle bisector. Okay, I hope you can understand, and if you understood or like the video and subscribe much. Okay, thank you for watching the video.